Hallo Leute, heute diskutieren wir das Wort müssen. Müssen, auf Englisch must or have to. Ich muss los, ich muss gehen, tschüss, mach's gut, Wiedersehen. Ich muss essen. Du musst schlafen. Er muss singen. La, 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 la. Wir müssen Deutsch lernen. Ihr müsst nicht sprechen. Sie müssen gehen. Ich muss, du musst, er muss. Wir müssen, ihr müsst, sie müssen. Ich muss essen. Ich muss jetzt essen. Nein, nein, nein. Du musst nicht essen. When you use müssen in a sentence in German, we don't use it alone. That's going to be the part of the verb that is conjugated. However, your sentence is also going to have an action in it. And the thing with müssen is it is a bully. It likes to butt in. It is the first verb or the first thing that goes next to the subject in your sentence. Then what does it do? It takes the action and it sends it to the end of the sentence. No explanation. I can't tell you why. I can just tell you that it happens. The nice thing about it, though, is that action does not need to be conjugated. You don't need to know if it's an ich that ended in e or any of that stuff. Just tack on the en or the n, whatever makes it the infinitive, and that's what's going to happen to it. So I could have a sentence like, I need to eat tacos. I must eat tacos. I have to eat tacos. How I'm going to say that is ich muss Tacos essen. Essen goes to the end of my sentence. I don't need to conjugate it. It is just flat out essen. Even if you're adding lots of other stuff into your sentence. For example, it's not that I have to eat tacos. It's that, hey, guess what? I don't have to eat tacos. Ich muss Tacos nicht essen. Before, nicht would have to go at the end of my sentence, but now because of the word muss, that's the bully, that takes priority. So the nicht still goes kind of towards the end, but it's not all the way at the end. Okay, so essen has to go after that. Ich muss Tacos nicht essen. That's our tutorial on müssen. Make sure that you're taking these examples to heart and just flip out a word or two and you've got it.